Hey, it's Paul Ingram with Kali Center, and I just want to take a few minutes here and just real quickly kind of talk about my new Kali Center online school. We've switched over to a new platform. We launched our new platform about a year ago, give or take. And our new platform is hosted by Swole Technologies. I'm really excited about this move because Swole Technologies provides the most powerful platform for online fitness and martial arts schools and studios. We have our huge on-demand video library with exclusive videos only to our online school that you will not find here on YouTube or anywhere else. Twice a month, we hold our live stream classes. Each class focuses on a specific skill set within the realm of Filipino martial arts. We also provide the playbacks for every single class. So whether you just want to get a refresher on a class or maybe you missed one of the live stream classes, you can always catch the replays afterwards. Our live stream classes have become very popular because you get to interact with your teacher, with your coach. You get to ask questions. You get the watchful eye of a Kali Center coach watching you, training the material, and able to give you pointers and corrections and training tips right there on the spot. So we have a lot of people that have been jumping into our live stream classes and enjoying them and just absolutely loving them. And as teachers, we get to actually see our students progress as they're advancing in the skills. We also now offer one-on-one video coaching, so we can do private lessons online. This allows for a more tailored type of training, more specialized programming and curriculum for your specific Kali goals and what you want to achieve in your training. All members also get access to our community channels, which is basically our own private social media, kind of like a Facebook group or a Discord chat where you get to post and share about your training, any questions that you may have. You can share your training photos, some short video clips, links, and I really love using this feature so that way I can share even more training with our online school members. Our online school is broken up into 3 different membership levels: our basic, our gold, and our apex. Each one adding in a little bit extra features. And we're also going to be very soon launching our Kali Center Coaches Affiliate program as well for those who want to teach and share the Kali Center training methods. I'm really excited about this move over to the Swole Technologies platform because for quite a few years I've been looking for a mega kind of platform so I can do everything that I've been wanting to do within the online school. And I had to partner up with a student of mine, John, who's also our Seattle, Washington chapter leader. He is a tech whiz, and we had to build exactly what I wanted from scratch because there was no one else in the world that had the platform that I needed to have for my vision for Kali Center. So we went through the painstaking process of raising funds and designing the platform and building the platform. It is the most secure platform, it is the most engaging platform, and it is the most dynamic online training platform in existence today. And I am super proud of it, and I'm really thankful for John for helping me out in partnering up with me on there. If you are not a member to Kali Center Online School yet, and you want to check it out, you can join today and check it out by clicking the link down in the description. And you have complete control over your membership. You can join, you can cancel, you can pause your membership, you can upgrade it, you can downgrade it at any time you want. You can re-sign up. You have full, complete control of your training with the Kali Center Online School. I wanted to make Kali training accessible to people all around the world because I get emails and DMs on my Instagram every single week from people all around the world looking to train in this amazing, beautiful martial art, but don't have access to a school or teacher in their local area, or they simply can't afford classes in their local area. At Kali Center, we're not necessarily looking to replace in-person training, but our online school is the next best thing because, again, you get access to that full exclusive on-demand video libraries. You can train anytime that you'd like, and we're covering all the areas of Kali. You can get the watchful eyes of your Kali Center coaches with our live stream classes, or again, you get that tailored one-on-one attention through our video coaching calls, and you get to communicate with us and all the other online school students with our new community channels and share everything Kali and training with all of your fellow classmates. So click the link down below in the description and give it a try, even if it's just for a month or so. I'll also leave a discount code so that way you can check it out at a discount price. And I hope to see you on the inside, my friend. Keep training and keep having fun.